Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic, the New York will contest. So when a person passes away, the executor's obligation is to file the original will in the county in which the person passed away, or in the county where the person had property. So the will has to be filed with the court in an effort to have the surrogate say that the will is valid. And just because it's filed does not mean that the will is valid. There is the ability for the will to be contested, right? A will contest. Someone could say that the will is not valid. They can challenge it based upon evidence that the will is invalid. And not just anyone can challenge a will, only a person with standing. So that would be someone that's named in the will as a beneficiary, or someone that was named in a prior will as a beneficiary, or an heir at law. And that person is the category of people that would inherit if there was no will. So for example, if a parent had 3 children and they leave one child out, so there's kids A, B, and C, and they say, I'm leaving all of my estate to A and B. I know about C and I'm not providing for C in my will. Well, the child C can in fact contest the will, because if the will wasn't valid, that child C would otherwise inherit. So those are the 3 categories of people that could contest the will. And so a person needs standing to contest the will, and then they need evidence that the will is not valid. So if you find yourself in that situation, either you're attempting to probate a will and it's being challenged, I defend those lawsuits. Or if you're a person in the category with standing and you want to challenge the will or part of the will, my firm represents those people as well with a valid case, right? So I have to independently look at your evidence and then have a frank discussion with you as to the merits of your case. And if I think that it's reasonable and we can maintain a legitimate cause of action, I'll go forward and fight on your behalf. If you would like to speak with me and discuss your situation, please go to frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you. Have a great night.